Did you know that nearly 80% of maritime accidents are caused by human error, often due to inadequate training? Organizations in the maritime industry face significant challenges in ensuring safety, compliance, and operational efficiency. Without well-trained personnel, they risk accidents, regulatory penalties, and costly disruptions in operations. This can lead to financial losses, environmental damage, and reputational harm. For maritime professionals, the risks are just as serious. A lack of proper training can result in safety hazards, limited career progression, and difficulty adapting to industry regulations and technologies. This program is designed to equip maritime personnel with the essential skills and knowledge to excel in their roles. From safety protocols and regulatory compliance to advanced operational techniques, this course ensures that you are fully prepared for the challenges of the industry. In one study, companies that invested in structured maritime training reduced incidents by 40% and improved operational efficiency. Organizations benefit by having a highly skilled workforce that enhances safety, improves regulatory compliance, and minimizes costly disruptions. Well-trained personnel lead to smoother operations, reduced risks, and increased profitability. For individuals, this training program builds expertise, enhances career prospects, and ensures confidence in handling complex maritime responsibilities. You'll gain the skills needed to meet industry standards, advance in your career, and contribute to safer and more efficient operations. The future of maritime excellence starts with you. Register now and take the first step toward becoming a top-tier maritime professional.